How to reset your Bosch dishwasher Wi-Fi. So one of the best ways to do this is directly in the Home Connect app. So make sure you already have this, and you should probably already do, since the process of connecting it can be done here as well. So turn on the dishwasher, make sure it is close enough to your router to get a stable signal. Check your home Wi-Fi first, since the Home Connect appliance uses 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and may not connect properly on networks that require browser sign-in pages. But if needed, just restart your router before trying again. But anyways, open the Home Connect app on your phone and then sign in. One way you can do this is to reset the connection of your dishwasher by disconnecting it. On many Bosch models, this can be done through the appliance Home Connect app or network settings menu by selecting your network settings or the reset option for the appliance network. Bosch manuals does show a dedicated network settings, so one of the best ways to do this process is to just go ahead to your manual and then find whichever reset process will be done for your Bosch dishwasher. But that's a few things you can put in mind if you want to reset your dishwasher Wi-Fi. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.